welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Farizana and you're welcome to my digital diary. So this morning I'm just going to be doing some cleaning my room. You know what, let's do chai seeds and water, then after I'll just continue with whatever I have to do for the day. Yeah.
From 8 until late, I think about you. On my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little.
I'm just going to let that sit for 10 minutes. Whilst I'm waiting, I went to a wedding here and they gave me this beautiful flower here. So I want to add it to this particular flower collection that I have. Yeah, so let's do it together.
I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for.
So now that this is done, I'll just take it, and as I'm taking it, I'll also be planning for the day. So with that done, I'm just going to clean my mirrors a little bit because they are looking funny. Yeah, and I hate it when I can see some particles on my mirrors here. So I'm just going to clean it, then after that I'll just hop into the shower. So the next time you guys will see me after cleaning my mirrors will be when I'm going to drop off products, because I have to drop off products and the day will continue. Yeah, so I'll see you guys. Bye. On low battery here, and I'm going to drop off orders, so I'll leave my phone on charge so that I just charge it a little bit. I want to go to the hairdressing salon so that I actually retouch my hair. Yeah, and I think I'll film it for TikTok here. So I'll go and drop off the products, and after I come back I'll also go to the hairdressing salon and go and retouch my hair. But then yeah, I also want to go to the market because I have certain things to buy. I don't know what I should do, or I should you guys you know what, let me just go and drop off the products and also buy the stuff from the market. Then I'll just go to the hairdressing salon, then I'll just go and retouch my hair, and that'll be all for today. Yeah, you know what, change of plans. So what I'm going to do now is that I'll actually go and drop off the product, then I'll go to the market, film everything I have to film at the market, then I'll come back, come and charge the phone a little bit, then I'll go to the hairdressing salon to go and actually retouch my hair. Yeah, so you guys, let's go.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, oh, I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe.
So I came back not long ago. Yeah, I just entered my room and I just took my camera. So my phone is currently at 50%, so I'll charge it to probably 45 or 50%. Then we'll go to the hairdressing salon. It's almost 5 by the window, and I don't know, because by this now, yeah, I can't even cook at this time here. So I bought tilapia, I bought quen rice. I don't know if that's the right way to pronounce it. Yes. So I will just I'll just charge my phone. Then after charging the phone, probably go and perm my hair or something like that. Yeah, after 10 minutes I'll go to the pharmacy to go and get vitamin C. I'll just make the tilapia tomorrow, yeah, because right now it's almost 6 and I have to go and perm my hair and make sure I edit that video for TikTok, post it today. Hey, it's not an easy job being a content creator. It's so tiring, yeah. But then I feel like I have to actually schedule my time well, because I'm thinking like I currently don't know how to really manage my time correctly. that's what's creating all these problems, because I'm not just doing content creation, but I'm doing other stuff too on the side. So I have to learn how to balance my time. Yeah. So I'll just charge my phone, and after charging the phone, we'll just see what will happen. Yeah. I'm sure I'll go to the hairdresser salon because I really want to. Who is singing? So I'll just charge my phone, and I'll make sure I update you guys if anything comes up. Hi guys, so it's the next day and it's currently okay. My other phone is not here, so I can't actually tell the time. Yeah. So right now a rider is waiting for me outside to go and take a parcel from Case Me Up Ghana. Yeah. So let's go together and take the parcel, and when I come back I'll just do the unboxing with you guys, and I'll show you guys what is in the parcel.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed it.
You guys, I love it so much. Like, look at how my name is inscribed. Like, my name is on the Stanley Cup. Farizana. Yeah. So I got also this. Yeah. So if you're interested, head right to Instagram or TikTok and search Kiss Me Up Ghana, and you definitely see him. Yeah. So you can also do yours. Look at how pretty this is, and this is just 25 Ghana cedis. Look at how cute it is. Yeah. So I'm now ready to go and take off these braids, as in this cornrow. Then I'll just retouch my hair. Yeah. But then somebody just ordered for a bottle of hair growth oil, so I'll just drop it on my way, and I'll head straight to the hairdressing salon. So I'll see you guys. Bye.
Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you go? You're my baby, send action. These days, oh my yeah, just be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Not it but a murder, there ain't no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die.
Too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, okay. I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And
It's like almost 8 here. I have to edit a TikTok video here, but for now I just want to you guys, 2025 here, we are being consistent, so I have to just edit it here. So after editing it, I have to probably rest a little bit. Then tomorrow I'll just make the tilapia recipe. I just wanted to shoot it for TikTok and YouTube short. Yeah, so I'll just shoot the video and that will be all for the whole vlog, for this actual, like for this particular vlog. So with that said, I'll see you guys